Hello students, again I am came here to tell you about the reaction. Now next is Hunts-Diecker reaction. What will happen in this one? Alkyl halide can be prepared by decomposition of single salt of carboxylic acid dissolved in CCl4 by bromine. So here what will happen? They are using the salts of the carboxylic acid with the bromine, okay, or Cl2. So here RCOOAg, okay, plus X2 we have taken. With the help of CCl4, it forms as Rx plus AgX plus CO2. So X is said to be the halogens. It is chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. Some reactions are examples: CH3COOAg with Cl2, C2H5COOAg, C2H5COOAg with bromine and with chlorine. Again CCl4 we are using. So what the thing forms? CH3 here, Cl. It will form as C2H5Br, C2H5Ag. Here it will form AgCl in all, and next it forms CO2 in all. Next reaction is a Riemer-Tiemann reaction, which is very important reaction. In this one, phenol react with chloroform. Phenol, this is the phenol, react with the chloroform and sodium hydroxide, okay, at a temperature of 340 Kelvin. Okay, what will happen? Then salt aldehyde is obtained. Here what the thing is obtained? CHO aldehyde. So this reaction is called as Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Again I am telling, phenol react with the chloroform with sodium hydroxide, this much temperature. Then CHO aldehyde group with NaCl and H2O. Okay, so what will happen here? Phenol react with the chloroform with this. It form as salicylic aldehyde. Okay, 3NaCl plus 2H2O. Okay, OH plus OH gives CCl4 plus 4NaOH to give 340 Kelvin and give salicylic acid 4NaCl with 2H2O. Understood students? Next is Mendel's reaction. In this one we are talking about the cyanide. In this one, when cyanide are reduced with sodium and alcohol, cyanide, this is cyanide, is reduced with alcohol or the sodium. इन दोनों में से एक से हो जाएगा. Then primary amine are obtained. So NH2 means primary things are obtained. Primary amine is obtained. This overall reaction is said to be the Mendel's reaction. Nothing is there. What they are saying, again you can use your own words also. They are saying cyanide are reduced with alcohol and the sodium. What the form? It form primary amine. This thing is called as, what this thing is called as? This thing is called as Mendel's reaction. Like example, here we are using RCN plus 4H, presence of C2H5OH with Na. It form RCH2NH2 primary amine. Fine. NH2 means primary amine is came. You can see what the things we needed here. C2H5OH, Na, it gives C2H5ONa plus H. CH3CN plus 4H gives CH3CH2NH2. C2H5CN plus 4H gives C2H5CH2NH2. C6H5CN plus 4H, it gives C6H5CH2NH2. So these are the reactions which you have completed in your copy, and from the next time I will start the Hall form or iodoform reaction. Thank you students and have a nice day. These things you please write down in your copy. Reactions also write down in your copy, and the chapter which is going on, that alcohol and phenol one, that also you have to write down in your copy. That's why you have to make a 2 organic copies so that all the things could not be mixed. Thank you students and have a nice day.